Hi, this is a potentially new synthesis show. You are listening now the presentation of Fazor synthesis. You can hear the change in tone after switching to Fazor synthesis. The first mild and dull sound is shaped to a sharp and resonant sound. Now we change the parameters of Fazor synthesis to get different resonant sounds. What makes the sound and tone change? What these parameters there are that randomly change? If you check what is going on here, you can see that only one sound generator is on. It is titled with letter C. Letter C sound generator is a Fazor synthesis. Now we change to sound generator titled with letter A. This generator has two audio signal input primitives, S2 and S1, that refer to W2 and W1, but with a random volume both. W2 and W1 are two single sine wave primitives as inputs, but they have some physical properties that Fazor synthesis use to create new tones out of them. It is their phase difference how they arrive into the sound generator. So changing the phase difference between two or more than two input waveforms makes a really intensive and interesting tone change in sounding. Rise the bar and we switch to sound generator on, titled A and B. And we randomly change all the parameters of this synthesis signal path. You can hear the variety of sounds this creates. The only synthesis we use here is Fazor synthesis. If you check the FX panel, all effects are switched OFF. You can also modulate the whole synthesis signal path by changing the parameters of the Fazor synthesis of A, B sound generators. And now we collect A and B outputs and bring them into a common Fazor synthesis at route 0 level sound generator, that is the final one in the audio signal path, and it does this with them. the different parameters of the whole signal path after every randomly changed parameter setting. As you can see, this synthesis does the different tones and sounds without any filters. We can also apply an FMT stereo. It places the sound into space. From now, we will just play with parameters randomly and manually both to show you how powerful this potentially new synthesis is and what it does with some input primitive waveforms. In this sound example, we have 3 sine waveforms as input at sound generator C, where Fazor synthesis receives them. Isn't used here, but maintained for NFMT modal synthesis parameters. sound of a phasor synthesis. What makes this whole thing really amazing is that phasor synthesis is just only one amongst more than 1,000 plus synthesis that were all derived from NMFMT theory or was inspired by that. In this show, though, we will stay at phasor synthesis presentation only as a potentially new and simple synthesis method. These sounds present also some available built-in effects of Fazor synthesizer. Thank you for listening to Fazor synthesis and Fazor synthesizer presentation.